I do laundry every week. I do laundry every week. I collect dirty clothes. I collect dirty clothes. I sort the clothes. I sort the clothes. I check the pockets. I check the pockets. I put clothes in the basket. I put clothes in the basket. I go to the laundry room. I go to the laundry room. I open the washing machine. I open the washing machine. I load the clothes. I load the clothes. I add detergent. I add detergent. I add softener. I add softener. I add softener. I close the door. I close the door. I choose the cycle. I choose the cycle. I press start. I press start. I wait for the wash. I wait for the wash. I take out wet clothes. I take out wet clothes. I hang the clothes. I hang the clothes. I use clothespins. I use clothespins. I remove stains. I remove stains. I remove stains. I bring the clothes in. I bring the clothes in. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I iron the shirt. I iron the shirt. I put clothes away. I put clothes away. I clean the machine. I clean the machine. I feel happy. I feel happy. I smell fresh clothes. I smell fresh clothes.